What up, guys? Let's get to it. Sunday fun. They go Packers. Packers gonna take it today. Just kidding. We'll see how they go. Anyways, let's talk into what we're doing for Forex here. Selling the US dollar index, looking for the US dollar index to come back down further. Looking for it to break the 100 price here. That's what I'd be looking for. To break the 100 back down to 99. That would be the big move here. So overall, this gets a little bit tricky because this is the third bearish doji candle, and we will see how this all plays out. The US dollar could easily pick itself back up from here as well. So, but overall, weekly swing would be the sell for the US dollar. Be mindful, pay attention to the 4 hour and the daily charts because there will be retracements throughout this week. We are coming into the last week of September. I know it's not the last day of September, but we still got this is the big full week here, and then we will see how it all plays out for October. October is going to be an interesting month because that is the month before the elections. So we'll see how that all plays out. All right, and all the indices are going back up, so we're buying all indices, looking for US 30 to break a newer high, for 42,500. And then we'll see if it stretches to even 43,000 before the month ends. So we'll see how that all plays out. But US 30 is on a big rise here. S&P is kind of losing a little steam, but it is it's at a new high right at 5,700. Looking to hold the buy here, and we'll see if it breaks even higher to hold itself above 5,700 for this price. Nasdaq is the only one that did not go as high, did not peak back up to its previous highs. Still buying it. Looking for it to hit 20,000, and then we'll see if it ranges itself to shoot even further to 21,000. Gold is on a massive move here, going up, uptrend. So 26.22 here. Looking for it to, we're still buying this pair and also buying silver. Looking for both of these pairs go up even higher. Let me see. Gold for it to hit. Next target would be 26.40. And then the second target would be like 26.60. And then the final target would be like 26.80. So I'm breaking it every $20 in value that's gaining. Silver here, looking for the big move to break $31.50. And then the final move would be the top wick of 32.50. So we will see how much more it's going to gain from here. Like I said, overall uptrend for both of these. Buying euro, we're buying euro. Now this is going to be another tricky pair because every time it's hit 112, it shot itself back down. So we will see how this plays out. But we're still buying it for 112, and then we'll see if it sustains a move to go above 112. Buying the pound. Pound is broken out of this range here, looking for 133 to hit 134, and then the next move will be 135. And then buying, let's see, buying the Australian dollar. I know it's kind of tricky because there's so much weekly resistance back to back at 68 and 69. First target would be 69. Does not break 69 on the weekly, we're going to sell it back down. Same thing for New Zealand. Okay. If it does not break up to 63, then sell it back down back to 62. Euro British pound is already breaking through here. The next move would be to break down to 83. And it's the rest is history. Pretty much. Break down 83. And then the next move would be, well, 83. 83 would be all the way down here. That's a big move. The solid move. Next move would be 82. So I'm just going back where it was at. UJ, selling this pair. We're just gonna treat this as a retracement candle. So gonna sell it back down to 143. And we'll see after that, after it hits 143. USD Swiss, selling this pair back down to 84. And then we'll see if it breaks the weekly support at 84. And then finally, USD CAD, selling USD CAD back down on 135. And then the next one will be 134. So let's see what they got for the last week of, okay, Monday's got a big day. Monday is Reserve Bank of Australia's rate statement. They plan on keeping rates the same. Let's see. Being in Japan, Governor Yuta is speaking on Tuesday midnight. Well, pretty much like first thing in the morning, right before London. Swiss banks got their policy rate. They plan on cutting the rate back down to 1% instead of 1.25. Jerome Powell is speaking on Thursday. That's pretty much it. Well, and I was like, daylight savings. I was like, well, that can't be us. Yeah. Other than that, that's I don't see anything for Friday. So Thursday's the big day, along with Wednesday. Oh wait, hold on. What is Wednesday? No, there's nothing for Wednesday. Monday. Monday is the Australians rate statement. They rates the same. Tuesday, Bank of Japan, governor speaking, and then maybe the consumer confidence might do some, which I don't really see. And then Wednesday, there's nothing important unless you're trading oil. And then the Swiss National Bank, policy rate. That's during London sessions. That's like 30 minutes into London sessions. The final GDP, that might be interesting here. Thursday probably the biggest day. That's what I'm looking at. Thursday all day, London through New York. Other than that, any questions, concerns, and the analysis or the swing signals for the weekly, let me know in the Telegram chat group. On that, peace out, guys. Let's get into it here. Happy Sunday to you guys. Hope you guys had a great weekend. We're gonna start with cryptocurrency here. So, switching back, I was holding the buy positions since Friday, but cashing out. Bitcoin is starting to trickle back down. Looking for Bitcoin to come back to break down 62,000, and then we'll see if it comes back to 61,000. The final move that I'd be looking forward to for it to break down would be 60,000. So it's been sitting here for quite some time, and like I said, we'll see how much more of consolidation we're going to see first before we see some kind of breakthrough, some kind of breakout here. That's what I'd be looking for. But this has been sitting here for the past few days, and just don't get too caught up. So, but overall, we are switching back on selling every single cryptocurrency. Okay, so on the watch list here. So on my watch list, I'm gonna annotate here. This is all red in percentage change. Okay. That way you guys get a chance to see what I'm talking about. Oh shoot, what I do here. What I do. Okay. All this is red in percentage change. That's why we're switching back to this sell. Bitcoin was dropping back pretty hard this morning, so I wasn't gonna screenshot of all the buy positions. We're still positive, but like I said, we're cashing out so that we can take the advantage of selling all the cryptocurrencies for today. And then we clear this out. And we'll go back. Ethereum, selling Ethereum back down to 2,500. And then the next move will be to break 2,400. And then selling Litecoin back down to 66. And then back down to break 64. And then the final move will be to break down to 62 and 60. And then selling Shiba back down to the 14 mark here. Back down to the 12 would be to break the support of 12 here. Okay. So the support's in right down here. Dogecoin is already dropping back. It's already under 10.5 cents. So looking for a drop back to break 10 cents back to 9 cents in the value. And then Ripple, looking for Ripple to break down back to 58 cents in value to 57. The final move would be to break down to 55. Neo, looking for Neo to break down to $9 in value. That would be the big target there. Once it breaks $9, then the next move would be $8. Dash, looking for Dash to break down to 24, and then the next one would be 23. Solana, oh, hold on. Leaving for Solana to come back down to break 140, and then the next move would be to break down to 130. Zcash, looking for Zcash to come back down to 29, and then the next move would be 26. 26 would be the next big move. Tezos or whatever the guys call it. Looking for this coin to come back down to 65 5 cents in value. And then the next move would be 60 cents in value here to break the daily support here at 60. So that would be it. Like I said, everything on the watch list and the percentage change on TradingView is all negative here. I already annotated that for you guys to get a chance to see. Like I said, I started seeing Bitcoin dropping back a lot for this morning. So any major shift for Bitcoin for me, we're gonna switch back. Other than that, if you are still holding on to buy positions, please get out of the buy positions and get back into the sell positions. And so that's all I got for you guys. Other than that, let me know in the Telegram chat group. Peace out, guys. Go Packers. We'll see if they win. Other than that, peace out.